There's lots of sectors that use high magnetic fields. We know about body scanners that use fields for medical imaging. Life sciences use high magnetic fields for drug discovery and for designing new drugs so that they can understand the molecular structure of new materials and new drug materials. And in physics, we use magnetic fields to tell us about very basic electrical properties of the materials.
I've been an EMFL user for almost 20 years now, and I benefited enormously in my research in terms of, as a UK scientist, I was able to access them and do experiments in the largest magnetic field and to probe new phases of matter which otherwise it would have been possible. So I feel having EMFL has helped my career directly.
Science is a team endeavor, so we usually go there as a team of 2 or 3 people to run these experiments. In those short periods that we're allocated, we of course want to make sure that everything works as well as possible, and a few more hands help a lot. It is also an opportunity for the PhD students to get trained how to run experiments, how to analyze data, and to do some science themselves.
Yeah, I got to know quite a few of the PhD students there, and the local contact was really pro getting me involved. So I did all the sample prep, making the contacts with the samples. He was also pushing me to do all the cryogenics as well. So I was filling the systems with the liquid helium and the liquid nitrogen, which was a really nice experience. I actually felt like I was really a part of the experiment.
Industry can access the facility of the EMFL in different ways. First, to test material, to test technology, but also to work with academia and to the EMFL to make the most of the recent discovery in science.
The relationship between paragraph in high magnetic field laboratories is quite an important one. We are developing devices that fundamentally can only be assessed in those sorts of laboratories. At the same time, those laboratories need the sort of devices we're making.
Paragraph, we've used these facilities 2 or 3 times in the development of our sensor. We wouldn't have been able to develop the sensor without the collaboration, so it's been fundamental to us being able to make these products.
What we're doing here and what the EMFL does is to bring universities and industries together to enable this transition of basic research results into exploitation in industry.
By working together, we can set and address important ambitious goals and address important challenges facing by society.